Welcome to the world. How are you all? And I'm today back again with a quick analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And our trade is right now not going in favor and it is going against us. But how to handle that situation easily? So I'll teach you guys that and what's the next move for the Bitcoin. And well, overall, I was bearish only on Bitcoin, so it's good. But for shorter term, I found a long opportunity, so I went long on Bitcoin. But the things are not going well, so let's see what to do next. Okay, so right now I'm on the Bitcoin daily time frame, and to make this to make things easier, let me hide all the unnecessary things for now. Okay, so right now, as you all know, that the Bitcoin price broke heavily to the upside, and I told you that this yellow zone is very important for the price. Bitcoin broke this yellow zone, but it came for a retest, and now this yellow zone is very important because if the Bitcoin price breaks this zone to the downside, then it will heavily go down again, and I will get stopped out, but it's okay. I entered the trade with proper money management and risk management, and that's how you all want to trade also. So it's okay for me, but still I'm waiting for the price to go to the upside because here is a very important support. So let's see what happens. Will the price go in our favor or against us? Well, I guess it has to come as a support to the upside and go all the way up here because the target is still here, the high, recent high, which is at approximate $28,100 level, and here is my partial take profit. So let's see what happens. I can also get stopped out also. It's okay, it happens in the market, but it's important to do proper risk management and money management, and with proper 1:2 ratio like this. Okay, and now also let me show you the RSI indicator. I hope you can see this indicator. Okay, so the RSI indicator was in a falling broadening wedge pattern, and it broke it out easily. So these type of patterns are bullish pattern, and the target of these patterns are all the way up here. So there are chances that the RSI can make a support from the main RSI level, which is at 50, this level right here. So there are chances that the price, or I can say the RSI, can make a support right here and bounce back up. Well, let's see what happens, but I'm prepared for a loss also. If it happens, it's okay. We'll find the next opportunity either on Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other commodities as well. We saw a huge pump in past couple of days, but it was not a significant pump in the Ethereum's price. We can clearly see how there was a massive pump in the Bitcoin price, but in Ethereum the price was not able to break this resistance zone also, which is at approx 1670 to 1645 approx, and Ethereum was unable to break this and now heading to the downside. And I hope you guys know that Bitcoin and Ethereum both are correlated with each other, so if one of the asset outperforms the other one will. So that's why I'm pretty nervous on Bitcoin because of Ethereum's analysis. And now just a quick short analysis on gold. As I told you, this zone is very important if you watched my previous video, and if the gold price breaks this level or this zone to the upside, then it can heavily go up. But the gold price did not went up, and in fact it formed a greystone doji candle, or we can say evening star pattern, and fall to the downside. And I said that if you want to make quick money, then you can scalp gold by going short. And congratulations to all who went short because they booked awesome profits here. Right now the gold price is forming in this support trend line, and seeing the charts, I'm pretty bullish right now because we can clearly see that when the price got rejected from here, then its target was here, but the price got a reversal from halfway only, and same again happening here also. When the price got rejected here, its target was here, but it again getting rejected. So this means that there's a pressure of buyers pulling the price to the upside, and we can see a breakout, a huge breakout in the price in couple of days. So do keep an eye on gold also, and do watch my previous video that is fully dedicated to the gold analysis only. And also guys, if you want to trade like me, uh, Bitcoin, Ethereum or gold, you can do that with Bybit. You can trade crypto easily on Bybit. It is very easy to use and the most famous platform out there. And yeah, you can create an account on Bybit for free with the link in description, and you can win up to $30,000 gift also on Bybit. So do create an account on Bybit for free using the link in description below. And also below in the description you will find the link of XNES. What is XNES? Well, XNES is a Forex trading platform where you can trade Forex or commodities or US stocks easily with lowest spreads ever. So you can create an account on XNES also, and you can get up to $1,000 in free bonus. So XNES link is also in the description. If you are interested, you can create an account on XNES and can trade gold, commodities, Forex, anything easily. So yes guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you understand how to manage losing trade or a trade going against us, and with proper money management and risk management you can easily survive the market and with barely any loss. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge. Do share the video and do comment down if you have any feedback. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.